Recreational marijuana is soon to be legal in Canada. So why are marijuana stocks going down? Hello everybody and welcome to the video. My name is Brandon, and on June 19th, the Canadian government passed a bill, Bill C-45, to legalize the recreational use of marijuana, and that's going to be effective October later this year. Now, with that type of news, you'd expect to see a pretty nice pop out of some of these marijuana stocks. But having a look at some of the top players in the industry, we see Canopy Growth down about 10% since the announcement. Aurora is down a couple percent, essentially flat. In fact, we look at a year-to-date number, the stock is down over 20%. Now, why is this the case? Let me start off by saying I do believe in the long-term prospects for this industry. That being said, it's not shocking to see this type of performance. As we should know, the stock market can be very unpredictable over the short term, especially with all the buzz surrounding this marijuana industry. We have to keep in mind that, for one, there is still a very high level of uncertainty, and investors do not like uncertainty. I mean, yeah, the bill got passed and we're taking big steps in the right direction, but guys, there are still a ton of variables at play. I mean, questions regarding adoption, questions regarding expansion. I mean, in particular, we think of how well are these companies going to be able to penetrate, the US and international markets. I mean, it's great that weed is legalized here in Canada, but how do those sales translate into a much bigger US market? I mean, the reality is that's really where the growth opportunity lies. Secondly, the stock market is forward-looking. So smart money is not going to be waiting until legalization to start taking positions, as they've been buying into these stocks for well over the past year in anticipation for this news. We look back over the past 2 years and we have Canopy Growth up, nearly 1,300%, Aurora up over 1,800%, without any real fundamentals to support that. I mean, it's very much been driven by hype and speculation. Which leads into our third, and in my opinion, the most important point, is that this industry is just flat out overvalued. I mean, we look at some of the market caps on some of these companies, are these market caps justified? Looking at Canopy Growth for an example, I mean, this company has a $7.7 billion market cap. That's bigger than companies like Under Armour and Hanes. And this is a company that just in their most recent quarter lost $61 million. This is a company that is yet to turn a profit, and that is not something to be overlooked. So this is a great reminder that hope is not a good investment strategy. And just because the prospects of an industry look good, that does not necessarily mean that this is automatic money. You always got to do your own research, do your own due diligence, and sometimes you got to just look, beneath the hood. And if you do end up investing in marijuana stocks, just make sure that your hard-earned money doesn't end up going up in smoke. And feel free to let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. I get it that this is a controversial topic, and hey, these are just my opinions, man. These are my thoughts. Feel free to agree or disagree. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, you can give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe. I post a video every Monday, and make sure you hit that bell. And again, I really do appreciate you guys all watching, and I'll see you in the next video.